How to Draw Facial Features by Vladimir London. I will draw 2 portraits from imagination in reed pen and sepia ink. The full face portrait starts with the vertical line of the face symmetry and the horizontal line of the lower eyelids. Above is the line of the eyebrows. The distance between the 2 horizontal lines can be used to locate the top edge of the nose wings. The distance from eyebrows to the nose wings is the same as from the central line to the lateral corner of the eye. The distance between the lateral corners of the eyes can be divided into 3 equal parts. This will give us the medial corners of the eyes, with a 1 eye distance in between. The width of the nose wings is equal to the distance between the eyes. The measurement of 1 eye can be used to locate the line of the eye's corners and the base of the nose. The distance from the eyebrows to the line of the eyes is divided into 3 equal parts. The top third mark is the level of the top points of the upper eyelids. The width of each eye is also divided into 3 equal parts. The top points of the upper eyelids are 1/3 from the medial borders of the eyes, and the bottom points are 1/3 from the lateral borders. I also depict the thickness of the eyelids. The distance from the eyebrows to the base of the nose is equal to the distance from the central line to the end of the eyebrow ridge. The nation and the bridge of the nose coincide with the levels of the upper and lower eyelids respectively. The eyebrows span from the glabella along the eyebrow ridges. I will mark contours and some shading to illustrate the eyebrows' volumes. The lateral space between the eyebrows and the upper eyelids is convex, and the medial part is concave. The pupil of the eye is located just above the level of the eye's corners. At the top, the iris is slightly overlapped by the upper eyelid, and at the bottom there is a small gap between the iris and the lower eyelid. The upper eyelid casts a shadow when the light source is above. The highlight of an eye can be left unrendered. The white sclera of the eye is never totally white. As a ball, it always catches some shadow. The ball of the nose is as high as the nose's wings. There are characteristic planes of the nose formed by the cartilages and fibrofatty tissue. The side planes of the nose are influenced by muscles that lift the upper lip and the nose wings and compress the nostrils. I will now add some tonal values to differentiate the planes of the nose. The distance from the eyebrows to the base of the nose is the same as from the base of the nose to the chin. This distance can be divided in half. This is the bottom edge of the lower lip. The top half can be divided into 3 equal parts. These marks are the top and bottom edges of the upper lip. I will draw 3 circles, 1 above and 2 below, using the levels of the lips as guides. The outlines of a slightly opened mouth are based on those 3 circles. 2 tilted lines that go through the prominent points of the lips mark the points of the chin. I can now outline the face from the temple to those chin points. I will add some contours and tones to describe the volumes of the face. The levels of the eyebrows and the base of the nose are the top and bottom boundaries of an ear. In the front view, we see the outlines and contours of the helix, antihelix, and lobule. The outlines of the neck complete this sketch.